That's why it's called, asana sound is called kopoful. Kopo means dove bird and foxtail is a common name, and Sanskrit is called Sita Puspam. And during the Bihu time, that time women and girls just flower, they tie up the hairband and perform dance Bihu. But this is different. This is Aerides rosa. See the difference of foxtail, because these wing parts are very spotted. That's why they resemble the dove bird. And this is different. It looks like a peacock.
Yeah.
Close.
Correct.
Right.
Peacock. And that fragrance also very nice. You try
Yes,
to
I can
this one.
smell
Without
touching. Yeah.
Look at that one. This is called Dendrobium transparens. So here we try to preserve. There are two types of orchid. These are epiphyte orchids. So epiphyte, they don't require soil. And these are terrestrial. Terrestrial, they're growing on the ground. They need soil. They require soil. But epiphyte, they don't require soil because they have aerial roots. So aerial roots to take moisture from the atmosphere. So most important thing in orchid, they require climate, humid and moist climate. So they do not grow in the hot places, I mean Rajasthan or Delhi, that kind of places. So epiphyte orchid, if you want to plant at home, you don't have any specific log, so you choose this kind of normal wooden log. Here we just planted on the wood log. So they just need only support. But we create an artificial shade made house to maintain temperature and humidity. This is Dendrobium nestor. Look at this color.
Very nice.
And look at this one. This is different. This is Dendrobium anusmum. But it's the same genus, but its species are different. Now look at this one. These are Dendrobium thassiflorum. This is so beautiful. Yeah. And these are starfish orchids. See the individual one. It looks like a starfish. Yes. Phalaenopsis many. So these are epiphyte orchid and these are terrestrial. Epiphyte means they don't require soil. You know parasite plants? No? Parasite means it's a one kind of plants actually.
Which lives on other plants.
But parasite plant, they're growing on the tree trunks. But everything they collect from the trees. The nutrition collect from the trees and they harm the trees actually. So those plants are called parasite. And these are just opposites of parasite. These are called epiphyte. So everything they collect from the atmosphere. They make their own foods. Yes.
Really?
It's called photosynthesis. You know. Now look at this one. You're lucky to see this flower. This is called Bulbophyllum barbizirum, and this petal is moving. They can movement to attract the insect for pollination.
See, they are moving. Correct.
See,
Yeah.
they can dance
Oh, cute.
to attract the insect for pollination.
Yes, they are dancing.
Bulbophyllum barbizirum.
Very
These
nice.
are Dendrobium formosum. This is Aerides. This one Phalaenopsis cornucarpi red. And this one Dendrobium rankamal. So if you want to identify the orchid flowers, means what the difference between orchid and normal flower, why it's called orchid. Now you see the individual flower of orchids. So every orchid, they have always sepals and petals are 6. So that is the characteristics of orchid. So here we count like this: 1, 2, 3 sepals, 2 petals, 1 modified. But you remember 5 plus 1. So orchid have always 6. Yeah, 5 similar and 1 is different.
Okay.
And why one petal always colorful and differentiate from other sepals and petals? They also scientific reason to attract the insect only for pollination. So in scientific terms, it is called labellum.
Okay.
Yeah. Or common term, it is called lip. Lip means we put a lipstick. That's why it's colorful. And nature naturally provide the beautiful colors to attract the insect.
Very nice.
Yes. Everything depending on the pollination actually. See, the use of coconut shell, because fiber-like things they give for orchid, they easy to retain moisture. Yes. Coconut. Yeah, coconut shell. Yeah. So this is the dried coconut. This one Bulbophyllum nasturtianum. See this flower. This one Oncidium, so delicate. And you are lucky to see this kind of orchids, because you never get this kind of orchids anywhere. Because they're growing in the specific climate. I mean damp forest, rain forest, that kind of forest. But India also there are so many species of orchid, but we know always few of them which are available in the nursery. Orchid means in our mind we always think like that purple and white one, no?
Yeah.
So those are hybrid orchids. So hybrid used for commercial purpose. Wild is not allowed to sell. But India also there are lots of species found in India. But orchids are day by day going to extinct from the nature, deforestation, loss of habitat, pollution and lack of awareness. So here we are trying to preserve wild orchids. Now look at this one. See, we just planted in the blank pot. This is called Vanda stengenia. See this petal, it looks like a mermaid. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this petal. It looks like a mermaid. They're sitting like that.
Yes,
no?
yes.
Like a mermaid fin. It does. It looks like a mermaid fin.
Yes.
Butterfly orchid. The shapes looks like a butterfly. And these are lady slipper orchid. So one
Oh.
petal they resemble the slipper like a shoe.
Yes, shoe, pump shoe.
Yeah, pump shoe. That's why it's called lady slipper. And these are endangered species, near to extinct from the nature.
Oh.
So these are called lady slipper orchid. Now look at this color combination. What a combination
Oh,
of
wow.
this flower.
It's a bee
Yes,
and kind.
black and green combination. And it looks like an insect.
Yes.
No? This is called Coleogyne pandurata. That's why orchids are called unique flower. So orchid is
Each
a
is
flower.
different.
Yes,
Yeah.
and orchid is the second largest group of flowering plants. Even rose, marigolds, those are also flower, but those are not belong to orchid family. So rose, marigold, that kind of flowers, it is called Asteresis family. So first is called Asteresis family, and second is called Orchidaceae family. Yeah, and all over the world, 25,000 to 35,000 species of orchid. So, but we know always few of them. That's why here we're
Yeah.
trying to preserve wild orchids. See the combination. See, all these are mermaid orchids.
Yeah,
Venda
mermaid,
Stanginia. Now look at this color, so unique, brown and blue
Wow.
combination.
Purple to favorite color.
This one Dendrobium perisi. Look at this color. These are Escocentra mempulicea. It looks like a tiny butterfly kind of shape. These are Escocentra miniata.
So you remember all the names.
Yeah,
So
Phalaenopsis
many.
perisi. It looks like a
Yeah.
bunny kind of shape. But you don't remember the name because it's very difficult. All they have scientific name. Only few orchids have common names.
Right.
Because, but now you just see the beauty of orchids. I mean natural orchids.
Yeah.
This is Smithendia micrantha. It's so tiny, delicate flower is this. But they have also 6. See, ant also there.
Yeah.
And they try to search nectar. Sometimes ant also pollinator of some species. This is called Dendrobium unicum. You know, unicorn.
Ah.
That's why it's called unicum. So this petal, it looks like a rhino horn.
Yes.
Correct. So why they have always 6? One is different, no, to attract
Yeah.
insect only for pollination. But most important thing in orchid, they require always a specific insect. Yeah,
Oh.
suppose bee will be pollination of this flower, so butterfly they do not pollinate in the same flower. Again, they
Okay.
require different, but insect they don't know. They try to do pollination, so all insect they visit in the same flower. But interesting, orchids are bisexual, but it's difficult to self-pollination. Again, it is called self-pollination. Again, they need insect.
Insect.
It's very confusing actually. Actually, in orchid flowers, male and female they live in same home, but they stay like a different rooms. Means androgyne
They
and
have so much
gynospecium, they live in same home, but they stay like a different room. So insect is the agent, and insect they don't know. They try to do pollination, so they try to search nectar. So this petal to attract the insect. So insect sitting here, and they remove the anther cap. They can movement in this flower, no? So they remove the anther cap. Now again they can move inside. Now pollen will be mixed. So that is called pollination, fertilization. Now it's becoming a roots. Again we cannot grow from the seeds also. That's why orchid have lots of excuses actually, and everything they need is specific. So after pollination, fertilization, that means it's formation of fruits. Fruits means definitely inside they have a seed.
Yeah.
Again, we cannot grow from the seed because orchid seeds are dust particles.
Oh,
It's
so
like
from
a
the
powdery.
root, only
Yeah.
from the root it grows.
Yes, so pods will be mature, but it's naturally burst and seeds are dispersed in the wind. Again, that seeds they need mycorrhiza fungus. Again, they need the right
my
mycorrhiza fungus. So they meet with the right mycorrhiza fungus. Now it's possible to germinate. So we cannot grow from the seeds.
Yeah.
But people are want to try to germinate for the seeds. Only it can be possible in the laboratory. That is called tissue culture.
Oh.
So you buy from the nursery, you buy a tissue culture plant. Otherwise, hybrid means crossbreed.
Crossbreed. Yeah.
Now look at this one. It looks like a seahorse kind of shape. See?
Yes.
Venda pumila.
Seahorse shape also.
Look at this color. It's so beautiful. So tiny, but it's so unique. And here we can choose a specific log. These are called tree fern log. This log they easy to retain moisture. That's why inside it's too much humidity. These are Dendrobium transparens.
Yeah.
Now look at this one. Your favorite plant. I think. Have you seen carnivorous plants? These are the pictured plants.
yeah,
We study in the books, no?
Yes.
We study.
Non-veg.
Yeah, non-vegetarian plant. Featured plants, Drosera, and Venus flytrap
Yes.
also there.
Yes, Venus flytrap.
But you know how to they eat insects?
They will close the lid once the
Yeah, we
fly
always
goes.
think like that. No, when insect go inside, this
Ah.
lid will be closed.
Ah.
But actually, in this picture plant, lid doesn't close.
Oh,
Inside they have a digestive enzymes.
Acha,
So
that
insect
will
go inside,
melt off.
the never comes out, and this juices, they fluid, they digest the insect and slowly is converted into nitrogen. So all the nutrition gets supplied from this tube. So these are the modification of leaf. So starting it will be closed like that, and once in a open it doesn't close. Yeah.
Acha.
Yes, they're stuck inside because inside they have a fluid is there. Now look at that one, Venus flytrap. But we have a very small, tiny one Venus flytrap. So all these are the Venus flytrap. See, look from close. Only they can immediately trap the insects. Now look at this one. See this flower? So interesting shape is this. How does it look like? What do you
Joker.
think? Yeah, it's like a fairy or like, I don't know. It's all about depending on the imagination. But some fairy kind of shape also there, no?
Yeah, very kind of shape.
Yes.
Yeah.
देखिए अभी ये सारे येलो ये जो है सारे डांसिंग में जो
And this is epidendrum. See this modified petal, it looks like a joker or like a clown face is there. And this is Myrmichifolia.
मैक्सिकन और इसमें नाम है मैक्सिकन तो स्मेल में ट्राई कीजिए वो चॉकलेट कोको बटर
And Dendrobium trigonopus. And look inside, look there.
दूसरा जगह पे ऐसा वाला स्मेल नहीं
See inside we have a
Yeah,
big
yeah.
banana. See it's nicely burst like this. And inside they have a plenty of seeds. So only this banana it germinate from the seeds also.
Acha.
Yeah. These are terrestrial ground rockets growing on the ground. These are the terrestrial ones. Now look at this. This is called dancing lady rocket. Like a face, two arms. She wearing a beautiful gown within wings like a fairy. So this is called dancing lady rocket.
Photo নিতে পারিস তোরা
আমি বেশি নিয়ে নি
Now you try to smell this one, ma'am. But it smell like some caramel, like some
Yes.
chocolate kind
chocolate
of
kind
smell.
of smell. Yes.
smell
Without touching. Chocolate smell.
And see, look at the shape. It's so unique, no? It looks like an insect kind of shape. But the smell kind of shape is this.
Yes.
This is the world's largest orchid, Grammatophyllum speciosum. This is native from Indonesia, but still it's a
Nicheta
baby
chocolate.
plant. So when it's fully grown in natural habitat, this plant height goes to 25 feet.
My
And flower spike coming like a 7 feet long, but they take more time to grow.
Acha.
Now look at this one, ma'am. This is Phalaenopsis equatoris.
caramel ये तो थोड़ा
ये भी कितना सुंदर
Polydatus sinensis.
है ना
अरे ये सारे फैलन ऑफ सुपर के मौत ऐसा वाला नहीं देगा डेकोरेशन बुके विदिन नहीं
This is the world's largest orchid grammato. And look at this one. It's very interesting. It looks like they show their tongue. Like it? Like?
Yes.
Ah,
Very cute.
Yes.
it's teasing you Ria
Now look at this one. This is Aerides crassifolia. See this color. It looks like a boat kind of shape. So sometimes we choose this kind of basket, and inside we put only charcoal or bricks or coconut fibers. No net soil. That's all. These are the butterfly orchid.
Wow.
But these are the hybrids. So once in a bloom, they're easy to sell. Yeah, these are available in the nursery. That's why scientists to make a hybrid use for commercial purpose.
फ्लावर लाइफ टाइम 7-8 आवर्स अभी तो नहीं मिलेगा
Now look inside. That's the vanilla plant. See, that is the vanilla plant. So vanilla is an orchid. Inside is the climber one.
ऑर्किड को तो हमेशा स्पेसिफिक इंसेक्ट चाहिए पॉलिनेशन के लिए
Blooming season is vanilla in this month. So when it's bloom, this plant I spend only 6 hours. That's it. So within the 6 hours, that time we can apply manual pollination. I told you, they have long process. Male and female, they stay different rooms. That's why they require insect, and insect is not here. So we are the pollinator. So we apply hand pollination, means IVF, and it's very difficult. So we use toothpick or sharp pointed brush. We remove the pollens, mix it again. We inject the stigma. So that is called. Suppose that procedure will be completed. Now it's formation of roots. Means pollination will be success. So this process is very difficult. And Madagascar is a larger cultivator of vanilla. And after that, in South India, there are some cultivators, they cultivate vanilla. But nowadays, Assam also still start cultivation of vanilla. Look at this. This is Phalaenopsis violacea. Now look at this one. Dendrobium falcium. See this color. Now you count the sepals and petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 is different. So orchid have always 6. Yeah, 5 similar, 1 different. Now look at this one. This is Vanda macra. See how is it grow? Nothing will be there. This is growing in the air because they have in a aerial roots. So aerial roots they have in a special kind of tissue that is called Vallament tissue. This is called leopard orchid.
Leopard
Like a leopard print kind of spotted, no? Now look at this one. See this flower. It's so interesting shape is this. This is called Bulbophyllum roxburghi.
Oh, the
It looks like a bee of bunch of bee. It's a group of bee. Look here. And some watery substance is there, no? Actually, it's we do not spray water. They secrete some juices to attract the insects. Look at this white dancing lady. She's wearing a white gown. And that is the, which color is this? Yellow and
Brown.
yeah. Now look at, we already saw there world's largest orchid, but it's not blooming. So this is the another species, same genus, but a species is different. So
It looks like leaf
this is,
folio.
yeah, look at that color, brown and green color. Dermatophyllum marti. And look at that one. Look at this one.
Oh. This also looks like an
Yeah,
insect.
spider kind of shape,
Yeah.
no? This one, Dendrobium serinum. These are also dancing lady. Also so nice, spotted one. And look at this one. See the difference of orchid and other flowers. So this is called Hoya. Why it's not a orchid?
Yeah, it looks different. All are same.
Yes.
So it's not an orchid?
Now you can, yeah, you count the sepal petals.
Count.
5 plus 5.
It's different.
Yeah, that's why it's not an orchid. You count them. This is Lucia trichorhiza. See this one. It looks like an insect. There are so many insects stuck on this tree trunks. Because out of 100%, only 20% orchid they have a nice fragrance. In 80% orchid they don't have any fragrance. So which orchid they don't have any fragrance? That's why the shape and color like that they flirt the insect. They attract the insect for pollination. So all about depending on the pollination. And look at this one. This is Ilufia andamanensis. This species report from Andaman. All these are terrestrial. See the difference of orchids and other plants. These are the aquatic plants. Means they're growing in the water. So those are water plants, aquatic plants. And these are epiphytic. They do not grow in the water.
So this looks like the cabbage.
Yeah, this is
Water
called cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yeah, water cabbage. But it's not edible. These are Sideria japonica. Now look at this color, Dendrobium amabilis. See this, we have a lots of dancing lady. Dancing. See, these are dancing lady, like a fairy. Correct. These are Dendrobium hibiki. They have lots of colors in one flower, pink, white and orange combination. And see this Vanda orchid. Also available. And look at this one. It's my imagination. It looks like a dolphin.
Yeah.
Bulbophyllum scarbatum. And see the color.
So beautiful.
Now you go back to him. You draw a diagram of orchids.
She likes drawing.
Yes. Now you choose the color. You do not use the common colors, red, pink. If you draw a diagram of flowers, so you choose this kind of colors, orchid colors. Yeah, it's completely different. Now look at this color. See this one. These are called Dendrobium devonianum. See, these petals are so fuzzy. Again, they have 5+1. And these are the state flower of Mizoram.
Okay.
Yeah, it's our neighbor state. This is called state flower of Mizoram, and these are completely endangered species. Means it's not allowed to sell. Anybody want to try to sell these orchids? It's a criminal offense. Yeah, because why it's not allowed to sell? Because there are lots of reasons. Because these are near to extinct from the nature, and they're growing on the specific habitat, climate. I told you, everything they required is specific. That is the reason. This is butterfly orchid. Now look at this one. Bulbophyllum micranthum. This name is so difficult to remember, no? These are leafless orchid.
Oh, no.
They don't have any leaf, even stem also. Only flowers will be there. So, where do they photosynthesis? Where?
Roots.
Yes.
They also have
Because yes, they have also aerial roots, and already this root color is already green. That means photosynthesis in these roots. So chlorophyll in these roots. Compared to other roots, other aerial roots are white color, no?
Correct.
So this is already green color. Now look at this one. This name is so big, but the flowers is so small. This is called Scoianorsis cephalospendria.
Oh my god.
Your last name is Priya. Only that is very
Yes. Now here we have in the last one, world's smallest orchid, Teniophyllum
where is the
glandulosum.
flower?
Only this much big plant. Again, this is called leafless orchid. Now it's a budding stage. So when it's completely bloom, when it's open, this flower size is only 1.2 mm. Now you just
my
imagine
God.
of the size of the insect.
Oh, what color is it?
It's a light green color. So this is different from that. This is called Aridis multiflora. They have lots of flowers. That's why it's called multiflora. Look at this color also. This is the again foxtail one. Wait, I will show you the original vanilla. Now you try to smell original vanilla. Smell it. Vanilla. You like vanilla ice cream?
Yes.
Exactly.
It is a
Yes.
vanilla.
Yeah, this is the original beans, but this is the last year beans. So we naturally fermented here. Okay, that's all
Thank
about
you.
orchid. Now you click your pictures.
Thank you.
Welcome.